Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an H&M haul. I should actually call this a denim haul because I mostly picked up denims, but we're doing an H&M haul. So if you'd like to see what I picked up, please stay tuned. Into this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification tab so you're notified anytime I post videos like this. And all my sizes and links will be listed down below in the description box if you'd like to pick up some of these pieces. Like I said, I mostly picked up denims. I picked up like 4 denims, all in kind of the same cut, brand, whatever you want to call it. But I will show you on one of these sides me trying them on and what I think about them. So first denim that I picked up, it's actually this. I actually wore this to work and I must say it's very comfortable. If you sit at a desk all day and you wear denim, you know you need comfort, and this was pretty much comfortable. It does not have any stretch. These are high-waisted mom jeans, so they do not usually come with stretch. I did get a size 8 in all of my jeans. I'm normally between a size 6 or a size 8. If my jeans don't have any stretch to it, I normally tend to get an 8. They're a little bit loose, but I don't mind. In the try-on, you'll see I was a little bit bloated, so it was a little bit tight on my waist area, but for the most part they're pretty much comfortable. So I picked this up and I will show you me styling them and just like give you an idea of how I will put it together. Oh, also this sweater that I'm wearing is also from H&M. I did not pick it up with this purchase, but I did pick it up maybe a couple months ago. But this is also one of my favorite. It's very comfortable. I love wearing these, especially to work. I put on my turtleneck with my cardigan and I go about my way, but this is also a way that you can wear it. Right now I'm just currently wearing it, just no undershirt, just a cardigan. You could just wear it like this with some leggings or even with some jeans and go about your way. So these are the black jeans. They are called mom jeans, comfort stretch, but they don't have any stretch. I did not feel any stretch in these. They don't have any stretch. Comfort stretch, it is comfortable. Mom jeans, high waist, ankle length. I'm 5'7", so they don't normally hit me at my ankle. It's a little bit higher on my ankle, but if you're more on the average height side, you will probably have these jeans hit you at the ankle. Same brand. Mom jeans, comfort stretch, high-waisted, ankle length, and this is like a lighter blue. I should tell you guys the colors of them, right? That will make sense. It doesn't really have the exact color on them. Yeah, no, they don't have a color, but this is pretty much the, you know, denim color, the lighter wash denim color. Other one, this one is actually different from the others. This one has this on there and it's called a mom jeans, ultra high waist, and I actually really love how these fit much better because they're more high-waisted. I love when my jeans are more high-waisted on me because I have a longer torso, so normally high-waisted jeans tends to stop right at my belly button, and I love when it's over my belly button. So these actually did give me that fit and that feel that I like. It also has no stretch whatsoever to it. It is on the lighter side. They're really cute. It's pretty much the same fit. The next item that I picked up is this shirt dress. Now, I did not pick this up to wear as a shirt dress. I actually picked it up. I like wearing these, like, you know, those cooler summer nights or spring days. I'll wear this with like a nice low cut tank top, spaghetti strap, this over top with, you know, some shorts or some ripped jeans. That's more so how I was thinking of styling this. If I was to wear this with a belt, which I did actually pick up some belts to try it on with, I did not really like that look. It gave me more of like auntie, and I don't want to look like auntie, so I don't really think I like that look too much. I did pick up some skinny belts to try on with it, but the skinny belts, they were too small, so I was not able to try on that style with it. But the thicker belt, I don't really know how I feel about it. Like I said, I don't think I'll be pairing it like that. I will wear it maybe as a shirt dress without the belt. These are the thin belts that I picked up. to pair with that shirt dress. So you pretty much, you get in a 3-pack, you get black, white, and a tan color. Pretty much my idea would have been to, you know, put it around the waist of that shirt dress and maybe try it that way, but it was too small, so I could not try it on to see how it would look. But if I was to wear a belt with that, that is pretty much how I would wear it. I think I rather the look of a thinner belt as opposed to the thicker belt, just to cinch in the waist a bit so it doesn't look too boxy and oversized. Because I didn't mention, I did get that shirt dress in a size, I believe, let me just double check. I'm sure I got it in an extra large because my size was not available. Actually, it's a large. I wanted to get it in a medium, but the medium, all the smaller sizes were sold out. It was only a large and an extra large, so I went ahead and got it in a large. So it is already oversized, so I did have to size up, so it's a little bit bigger on me. The other belt that I did pick up is this black waist belt. Also, this was also sold out in every size. The only size that was available was a size small. I'm a size medium, so this is more on the tighter side, but it does fit. I don't think I'm going to keep this belt. If I do, I mean, I probably will keep it. It's always good for you to have a thicker waist belt in your closet. You never know when you'll need it, but for the purpose I bought this for was for the shirt dress, and I didn't like the look of it. It's a super short H&M haul. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. All my sizes and links will be listed down below in the description box. If you'd like to check out some of these items, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the notification tab so you're notified anytime I post videos like this. Thank you again for tuning in. Bye.